Hey, welcome back to the channel. We are back with another first impressions video, and I'm excited about today's video because I have 3 fragrances here kindly sent to me by my friends over at So Avant-Garde. I will leave a link in the description. They gave me a discount code for you guys. Gerard20 will save you 20% off your entire order. But more off, I am excited about these 3 fragrances because you guys have been telling me about this house. You've been asking me my thoughts on them. To have 3 of them here to actually give a little more in-depth analysis of them, I am excited to do that. And the fragrances we are talking about today are TUMI. They're from the house of TUMI. This one is Continuum, which you guys have mentioned to me many times, along with Atlas, also from TUMI, and a new release, 19 Degree. And this is actually an extrait de parfum. So I'm excited to dig into this one and see how this smells. I mean, from all the comments that I've gotten, TUMI is one of the most asked about houses that I get. You guys seem to be excited about it. I am excited to try these. I am going to try these on strip and let you guys know what I get and what I think about them. But let's jump into it. I'll probably start with Continuum. Let's do it. So here you have the bottle. This is Continuum, and I like the bottle. Really heavy duty, kind of classy look to it. Pretty straightforward, but I don't know. I just really like the design. TUMI is known for luggage, and I want to say these are named after certain pieces of luggage that they offer. This has this little satisfying sticker that I like what you get on the screen of your iPhone right there. So it's nice. Okay, and then it's got something a little different here with the atomizer. It looks like you just turn this dial here, and I guess it comes out. Okay, so that just releases the cap. Nice. All right, let's check out the atomizer. Really great atomizer. Okay, what I did was I labeled these strips ahead of time, and in the air already, I'm getting some ambery sort of notes. So, all right, so Continuum. Let's see what we get. Wow, okay. I'm getting a freshness. It's sweet and ambery. Wow, this is really nice. It's reminding me a little bit of Tom Ford Noir Extreme. They don't smell exactly alike, but it's kind of going in that direction with that warmth, that amber, that sweetness. There may be some oud in here, leather. There's something a little bit edgy and animalic to it, so I'm not exactly sure what that's coming from. Smells like it could be a great scent for this time of year, cooler weather. I think it sort of walks the line of being a casual scent, but I can see dressing this up a bit as well, going out, evening out scent. Wow, this is really good. I'd be curious to see what type of performance I get from this. It's an Eau de Parfum concentration. Wow, I'm loving this right now. Has a little bit of a powderiness to it as well. So, man, I don't have enough space to try these on skin, but just I'm giving my first impressions. I tend to think this is gonna really smell great on skin. This is the type of scent DNA that I absolutely love, especially for the cooler weather. Sweet, a little bit sort of earthy, tobacco, and ambery. Really nice. So this one, I'll let you guys know which one is my favorite at the end of this. I'm gonna open up the other 2 and dig into those and see what they do. So I'm really liking these TUMI bottles, and if I had to guess, this one is probably a fresher fragrance. And yeah, this is just a super sleek looking bottle. Love it. And I also like the cap. I think it's very cool. It's kind of tactile feeling. You twist that cap, you twist this little dial, pops off. I like it with the red atomizer on there. Yeah, really nice presentation. And another great atomizer. Okay. Yeah, this one is definitely fresher. Still has some sweetness to it, but definitely fresher. Picking up a lot of citrus, lemon, maybe some mandarin orange. Has this sort of earthy, grassy feel to it. It's reminding me of other things, maybe their version of a blue fragrance. Really nice, though. It's a little peppery. Both of these fragrances so far have been super smooth. Really impressed with the quality here. Especially for the price point, you're going to find these probably closer to like mid to higher level designer fragrances. A little bit woody. And again, what I absolutely love about these fragrances, well, this one particular, but just this type of DNA, where it also has a warmth to it. There's a little bit of a warm, sweet spice here, along with those fresh notes. And I love that combination. Absolutely love it. And they do it really well here. Wow, 2 for 2 here. I'm impressed. I can't wait to try these on skin. Yeah, good stuff. Another Eau de Parfum concentration. So finally, we're going to dig into the 19 degree. Now, this one is a new release. Yeah, this one's a brand new release from the house, 19 degree. And look at this bottle. Just super cool bottle. Stickers on a little different. Love this bottle. It's this matte black with this very cool design on the outside. Yeah, I'm really impressed with all the presentations so far with this house. And you know, they design luggage, and you know, you can tell there was some thought that went into designing these bottles. It wasn't just sort of a throwaway thing where, oh, we're a luggage company, we're just gonna throw it in a generic bottle and slap our name on it. There is some thought that has gone into these fragrances without question, which I can really appreciate. So another red atomizer that sort of seems to be the signature of the house. Let's check it out. I mean, fantastic atomizer. Wow. Okay. Leather. Picking up some leather freshness. Wow, fruity. Okay. Wow, this is really nice. Okay, what I'm getting from this, it's reminding me a little bit of something like a ombre leather or a Godolphin. However, it's a much fresher take on those fragrances. The leather, amazing here. Really nice leather fragrance right off the bat. That's off a strip. I may have to try this one on skin. Yeah, I'm going to try this one on skin. This is really good. I love these atomizers. They put out a ton of juice. Oh, man. There's also this deep resinous feel to it. Little bit of like a caramel sweetness to it with that leather and some fruitiness. This thing is incredible. Wow. I am impressed. I was not expecting this from a TUMI. I don't know why. I know TUMI for luggage. I wouldn't have expected these fragrances to be this incredible. I absolutely love this. Wow. This is an extrait de parfum. So this might actually last. this and perform. Wow. I'm impressed. This stuff is incredible. If I had to choose my favorite from all three of these, it's definitely 19 degree. This stuff it's so good. I got to take a look at the notes for 19 degree. Give me 1 second. Okay, so the notes that they describe the fragrance as a bold amber woody leather fragrance. Top notes are bergamot, saffron, and thyme. Mid notes are black raspberry, suede, and birch water, and the base notes are leather, sandalwood, and black musk. Yeah, oh man, this is... I'm curious to see how this changes. I am absolutely going to wear this week, and I'll talk more about it in my weekly wears video with you guys. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, be sure to do so. My weekly wears, I go over every fragrance that I wore for the week prior, and those drop every single Monday. So subscribe to the channel. But man, this stuff, I was not expecting this. It's incredible. This stuff is actually really good. So if I had to pick a second favorite, I would probably go with Continuum. And again, it's that time of year where I'm sort of digging these warmer, sweeter type fragrances for the cooler weather. It's starting to finally get cold in the New England area, but that is not a knock on Atlas here, because Atlas is just as good as the other two. I think it does something a little unique again for a fresh fragrance. It sort of combines some of those warm, sweet nuances that are in the more dominant in the other two fragrances, and makes it a little bit more subtle, but it's there, and it's a fresher take on that. So yeah, all three of these fragrances, guys, they're all safe blind buys in my opinion, but they're incredible. So I am so happy that So Avant-Garde sent these my way. Again, I will link them down below along with my discount code Gerard20, so you guys can save some money. I'll link all of these fragrances. Incredible stuff. I'd be curious to know what you guys think of these. Unwind is the other fragrance that I've actually tried from the house, and that was a pretty good fragrance from my memory of it. It's sandalwood fragrance. It's woody, spicy type of scent. So, but I want to dig into this house more. I want to see what else they have to offer. Pleasantly surprised. Incredible fragrances. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think of these. What is your favorite from TUMI? Your favorite fragrance? Do you want to try any of these three? Let me know in the comment section down below. But if you like what you saw today, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share this video, hit that bell notification so you are updated whenever I upload new content. But until then, have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video.